Log into APR and click the Faculty button. Scroll to this current semester and select the course for which you wish to enter your grades. On the current screen, your class roster will appear. Click on the Grading tab. Under the Grading tab, you will see three options. Click on Final Grade. You will now be able to enter grades. Under the Final Grade column, you will have the option to select a grade from the drop-down menu for each student. Once you have entered grades, the system will automatically save them. There is no Submit button. Students will not see grades until the registrar has verified them. You can update grades through the end of the grading period. If you are entering an E-grade for a student, you must include an expiration date for the E-grade. Please refer to the registrar's email titled Final Grade Submission in APR2 for more detailed instructions, including the final grade submission deadline, the E-grade submission deadline, and submitting grades other than numerical.